Hi, my name is Junfu, and I am the founder of Opaka Capital Partners. We focus on biotech and AI-driven innovation in drug discovery. We are targeting areas uh, with immense growth potential and societal impact, uh, investing in companies that has potential to reshape healthcare in the future. Opaka Capital Partners is a private equity company with a focus on biotech companies. We seek high potential companies, re-engineer their financials, and help them scale to the point of successful exit. Whether through acquisition or IPO, our goal is to generate impressive returns while backing technologies that can transform the medicine. Um, we have identified two primary areas that offer both um, high impact and high profitability. The first one is cognitive disease therapy. Nearly 7 million Americans suffering Alzheimer's um, and Parkinson's disease. Our investments target companies developing breakthrough treatments that address these high unmet needs. These drug developing um, um, uh, potentials can fundamentally change our lives while being profitable uh, um, to the enormous market demand. The second area is AI-driven drug discovery. AI is revolutionizing drug development by making um, the process faster, safer, and more efficient. We are investing in companies using cutting-edge AI, um, machine learning, so on and so forth, to discover new therapies with a higher efficacy and lower risk. AI is reshaping how we think about drug discovery timelines and success rates. Alzheimer's is a major public health issue, crisis, we can say. 73% of Alzheimer's patients are 75 years old or older. With the aging population, the need for effective treatments is growing potentially exponentially. Companies like EISAI and Biogen are already seeing breakthroughs, but the race is far from over for discovering further better treatments and better drugs. We're backing companies that are next in line for success. Um, those at various stages of clinical development who could bring the next wave of FDA-approved therapies. Why AI in drug discovery? Traditional drug discovery takes over a decade. By investing in AI-driven companies like Cyrus Biotechnology, uh, Iambic Therapeutics, and In Silico Medicine. These are the names of the three companies we're interested in investing. We're supporting platforms that reduce the timeline significantly. These companies are use AI to predict the design and optimize drug candidates. in a fraction of time, paving the way for a faster pipeline um, of new therapies to reach the market. For example, design small molecule therapeutics, combining it with active learning-based screening, enabling scientists to get molecular predictions with improved accuracy. Hence, um, rapidly decipher the drug candidate from large-scale libraries. These high-tech tools can produce groundbreaking solutions for many life-threatening diseases, not only just Alzheimer, could be in oncology, fibrosis, and any other debilitating age-related conditions. Our exit strategy. Our approach is flexible and focused on maximizing return for investors, whether it's through mergers, licensing deals, or IPOs. Our goal is to exit when the market conditions are right, often yielding 3 times or more um, on initial investments. Conclusion: at Alpaca Capital Partners, we are committed to creating value both for our investors and for the healthcare industry. We believe that biotech and AI-driven drug discovery spaces are at a tipping point. We're just at the beginning, of the AI, like first inning of the AI revolution, which is the fourth industrial revolution. We are excited to lead this charge. A little bit extra points to my pitch is that that are the exit strategy specifics. Number one, merger acquisition. Everybody is familiar with that. Many biotech and AI-driven drug discovery companies become attractive acquisition targets for larger pharmaceutical companies. When this happens, we look to exit through a scale, allowing our investors to realize significant returns from the deal. Two is the initial public offerings, IPO, for portfolio companies that demonstrate strong growth potential and market readiness. An IPO can be a profitable exit route. This allows us to capitalize on the company's public market valuation and distribute gains to our investors. Licensing deals, number three. In some cases, portfolio companies and may license their technology or drug assets, or these are intellectual properties to larger firms for milestone payments and royalties. This provides ongoing revenue streams and maybe an attractive exit point if the company achieves the strong licensing agreement. Finally, but not least, roll-up strategy. As a private equity firm, we do that quite often by strategically acquiring and consolidating smaller complementary companies. We create a larger, more valuable entity that can command a higher valuation upon exit. This strategy is particularly effective in sectors like biotech, where innovation and synergies drive value. Our goal is to pursue exits that yield at least 3 times or to 5 times return in the initial on the initial investments, and the timeline could be somewhere around 3 to 5 or even to 7 year period. Whenever it's the right time or right time for us to have substantial return for investors, we're gonna make exit, ensuring both high profitability and a well-timed departure based on market conditions. We are always vigilant for the best opportunities to exit at the right moment for maximum return. Thank you.